really know what's in your water? It might look clean and clear, but how do you know there isn't something toxic in it? Now, the truth is, you probably don't. And that's because even though water is so vital to our lives and to virtually every industry on Earth, we don't have a lot of good ways to know what's in our water. The techniques we do have require expensive equipment, trained personnel, and happen in off-site labs. This takes time and money, meaning in many industries, a spill that contaminates groundwater could go undetected many days or even weeks, and that's just not good enough. Here at FREDsense Technologies, we have the solution. By combining the cutting-edge sciences of synthetic biology and electrochemistry, we've developed FRED,
the field-ready electrochemical detector, a mashup of bioengineering and electronics.
Bacteria have evolved over millennia to be able to detect a variety of chemicals, and we're simply hijacking that. But we've added a twist. We've engineered our bacteria in response to these chemicals to produce an electrical signal, which is both quantitative and very accurate. We've designed hardware and software to work with our bacteria to create an autonomous sensing device that sits on site at a water monitoring location and monitors the water for compounds of interest at certain intervals. This means you don't have to collect samples, ship them, or process them, which can take days or weeks. So instead of doing this, or this, you can place FRED at your site and just do this. Okay, just kidding about that last bit. But all jokes aside, FRED is a powerful technology that has the potential to transform the way we think about water monitoring. FRED offers the first economic and accurate way to detect compounds in water, on-site, in real time, and with no human intervention. Now, our first market is the mining industry, where they care about detecting heavy metals without having to send someone out to take a sample. But mining's really just the beginning. We can easily move FRED into any market where water's important. Things like sewage treatment, pharmaceuticals, or even direct-to-consumer.
Haven't you always wondered what's in here?
Because at FREDsense Technologies, we're revolutionizing the way we think about water monitoring, moving it out of the lab and into your hands.
We're a group of young scientists dedicated to making this happen.
Our journey began in 2012 when we built the seeds of this technology as an award-winning project in the International Genetically Engineered Machines competition. You may also remember us as the team that brought you the YouTube sensation, iGemStyle. But with the fame of YouTube stardom comes the realization we won't be quitting our day jobs to make music videos. No, we're building better biosensors. Now, we've been bootstrapping for the last 2 years, raising our startup funds through business plan and pitch competitions across Canada, and building our DIY molecular biology lab on a shoestring budget. But now, as we expand, FRED is ready to be boosted, and we can't do this alone. We're looking for your help to help us raise $15,000. This will be used to help us build a prototype for heavy metals. Any additional funding we get will be used to help us design new sensors for things like pesticides, pathogens, and more. By supporting FREDsense, you're not only supporting the next generation of water monitoring technologies, but you're supporting a homegrown story. Can you help us build better biosensors? Because at FREDsense Technologies, we're revolutionizing the way we think about water monitoring, moving out of the lab and into your hands. Because with FRED, we foresee a world where you'll know exactly what's in your water.